All right, and welcome back. This is part two with the new toolbox. It is so massive. I'm still not over how big it is. I'm thinking is we need to move this because it's just sitting in the middle of the shop right now. Can't have that. So I'm thinking we will move it. What we're gonna do is move those two cabinets right there. That cabinet on the ground and then that one hanging. I'm thinking of putting the hanging one over there above the sandblast cabinet. And then so I've already measured from about the edge of where that cabinet is, where my finger is right now, all the way to the edge of that workbench is actually the fitment for the toolbox. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start moving all that stuff. So here we go. Okay, those two cabinets are now gone. The floor is swept, the wall is swept. Obviously, probably need to wash the wall down. But then now we need to move on to moving those two cabinets. So go ahead and start with the bottom one and then the top one, and we should be set. Okay, as you can see, I went ahead and wiped down the walls, swept the floor. Obviously, that all needs to be cleaned up, and then the workbench needs to be cleaned up. But give me a minute and we'll get that done. But for now, this should be enough space for the toolbox to fit in. Okay, so the back feet don't rotate. So what I'm doing is taking the whole thing, pulling it in, and then swinging it all around, and then back it in, and then nudge the side in. So here we go. Okay, it is in its place. That was quite a workout, so I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna call it a night right here, and then I'll jump back into it tomorrow. So here we go. Okay, so with the toolbox all cleaned off in the front, I'll probably go through like another couple passes, but I'll do that off camera. But yeah, I paid $8K for this toolbox, so you guys gotta let me know with all the tools in it. Did I pay too much? Was it a good deal? I feel like it was a good deal, especially like how insane all of this is. The toolbox is 134 inches from end to end, so that's pretty big. So yeah, I'm now going to go through a lot of like the boxes that had stuff in them that I didn't go through before. So we'll go through those now. Okay, so that one drawer alone had all of this stuff in it right here. From there to over here, I quickly went through all of this stuff. We got rear axle, we got a rear axle bearing pull set. We got a air gun of some type, a blowgun. I'm sure the blowgun's in the box somewhere. It's obviously not there, but all the accessories are there. Some other testing kit. I'm not totally sure what this is. Automotive test kit, not too sure. Indicator flex stand. I don't know what this is even used for. Obviously it detects like how hard you're squeezing on the vice grip. So I'm not totally sure what that's used for. Maybe you guys know in the comments. Valve core kit, a leveler, master terminal service kit. Seems like this is all here. So that's nice. I think we went through this one in the first video. Wheel torque master kit, that's all there. Obviously pretty used. Harmonic balance installer. 6-piece wheel flip sockets. Battery terminal tester. Another socket kit. Drill bits of some type. More drill bits. It looks like a grease gun of some type. Sockets. More sockets. Some battery terminal thing. Another grease gun accessory kit. Jumper lead, that is empty. Sockets, oil filter sockets, some specialty sockets. Magnet. We got impact, this flex seal tape, air gun greaser, and then random bits and bobs. I don't know what this is for either. But yeah, that's all from that one box. So go ahead, I'll clean that up and get that back. And then I think this box over here, or this drawer I should say, has even more boxes in it too. So I'll go through that next. Okay, that drawer, I went ahead and put everything back. I just put all the box stuff back and then put all like the cable stuff back. And then this drawer I emptied out and got it all laid out here for us to go through. So we have a compression tester kit that looks like it's in a really good condition. Bit set, it converts your drill to screws and drills. And then obviously an impact bit set. A lot of these look like they're brand new, like the heads on them don't even look like they've been touched. Obviously some of them have been used. Very old socket set, sockets, specialty sockets. And then this is a pulley remover installer. Looks like some are missing. Another pulley type installer remover. Harmonic puller, okay. And then sockets. Another conversion drill set. And then there's two of these. Looks like this one is missing like all of the sockets, but yeah, there's two of those. Got that. Super old drill set. Tap sets. There's tons of tap sets. This one looks like, oh, yep, this one there's a whole bunch underneath. So yeah. Okay, and then obviously more taps. And then we have a torque wrench, sockets, more sockets, timing. I don't know what this is. Crankshaft sensor adjuster balancer for a Buick engine. No interest in that. And then whatever this PT torch is, I have no interest in that. And it's all empty. So yeah, that is all from that one drawer. So cool. Okay, got that drawer put away. Everything is just in there for now. Obviously, I'll probably go through it and clean it all at some point. Just trying to get through the majority of this stuff right now. I think now what I'm gonna do is go through the side cabinets here. Just pull all that stuff out because I don't even know what's all in there. So I'll go ahead and start with this one and then update you in a second. Okay, so I only got those two top like shelves emptied. I think all of this stuff I'll just go through like another day when I do like the official overhaul on everything. But right now I'm just trying to get an idea of like what was there because I couldn't see it all. So all that is right here now. We have wrenches, we have the scanner, bread bend, wrench, hammer. This was that torque wrench. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe some type of sandblaster, just some grate. I think this is mercury. Focus. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's mercury. I don't know why that was in there. Some new parts. I don't even know what those are. So it looks like a seal. I don't know what a lot of the stuff is. A light. Yeah, so most of this is junk. I don't know what this is. These are kind of nice. Looks like another brand new part of some type. Some mount, and then obviously this pass-through unit from Snap-on. So that'd be nice. I'd probably sell that. So yeah, a lot of the stuff is junk, so I'll probably throw a lot of it away, like mirrors. I don't need these. Yeah, anyway, so that's just that one section, and now I'll try to do this section. Okay, so just from that one little cubby, we have all of this stuff now. A set of gear wrenches, leveler, saw. I don't know what this is even used for. Some type of battery terminal kit. I don't know what these are for. These for filling up something or gas, or I don't know. Funnel. Not sure what that's for. Magnetic holder, a gasket kit, windshield wiper, cleaning your car down, throw that away. A filter, don't need that. Super nice. There's crud wheels and grind discs and stuff, so those are super useful for me. And then cordless screwdrivers, they all seem to work. Batteries just need to be charged. This battery is broken, but it was still working. And then, yeah, another easy wedge. So go ahead and throw a lot of this stuff away. And then I have a pile that I'm starting to like, stuff that I want to maybe try and sell. Like there's brand new parts here. I don't even know what they're for, but they're brand new parts. So see if they're worth anything online. Then this like pass-through kit, maybe sell this too, because I don't really need that. Yeah, So I'll go ahead and start putting some of the stuff away and then update you in a second. Okay, so I picked up an ultrasonic cleaner, so I'm excited to use this. This is a 30-liter ultrasonic cleaner. I don't know if I should use like Simple Green or some type of solvent or whatever. You guys will let me know in the comments, I'm hoping. If not, I'm just going to probably use Simple Green. But yeah, a lot of the tools in here, I think, really could use it because it is super grimy. I keep putting on new gloves and I don't want to have to keep doing that all the time. But yeah, this is just the start of like organizing stuff and then getting stuff put away and figuring out what I'm keeping. This is quite the task. It takes forever just to go through one section of the drawers. But yeah, that'll do it for this episode. Like I said, I paid $8 grand and it's a 134-inch wide toolbox. I feel like that's a pretty good deal considering it's the toolbox and all of these tools. I feel like if it was just the toolbox, that'd be a pretty good deal alone. So yeah, let me know how I did in the comments below. I'm sure you guys will, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.